3 hours, one pen. My hands moved like I was in a battle. The idea wouldn't stop shooting. It said, let's hear it. Every day begins with one ache, customer growth. Then come the elixir, the video marketing story, turning food and real estate brand into customer magnets, one story at a time. Let's hear more. It came from our roots, Kazo Mujita, an African Hausa storytelling phrase that became part of my brand. Your story have roots. Let's find it and make it speak. DM me, hear it, and let's make it speak. Irel.